Hey guys and girls, so quick 10-minute machine shop job. Been wanting to use the lathe for a while and haven't had a chance. I picked up this Moroso. It's the 62390. It's I don't know, I haven't done any car stuff in a while, but I think it's a valve spring compressor. Long story short, I grabbed this at a garage sale with a lot of other stuff, and came like this. I did a little research on it, and it's kind of missing this. There's supposed to be a handle here. So I hopped on the old southbend 13 and popped out a couple pieces of aluminum. It's 1/4 20 thread. So what I did was I just took two 1-inch pieces, cut them, put them on the lathe, drilled this to fit the 1/4 20, recessed the head, and tap the other side for 1/4 20. So I'm going to take a little Loctite, just a drop or two, assemble it, and I'm putting this baby on eBay. So she's ready to go up on the old eBay. Yeah, baby.